Hi, name's Salma and I joined SVS in the first one. Now I'm in year 5.
My name is Shirin. I did SVS 4 years ago and I'm also year 5.
Hi, my name is Rayaan and I'm also in year 5 too.
Welcome to the quad. This is where every student's day begins.
This is where we meet in the morning, catch up with friends and go to class.
On Fridays, we have Wake Up Shake Up to kick off the weekend. It's so much fun.
Let's show you more of our school.
This is the year 1 area. It's the first year of primary, but the classrooms are in the FS building to make the transition easier.
Let's say hi. Hi, year 1A.
What are you learning today?
Take away numbers. Take away numbers.
Wow!
And here's the swimming pool. The small one is for beginners and the big one's for competitions.
We have swimming lessons once a week, and we also have swimming gala where all houses compete. Spoiler alert, my house wins a lot.
This is a friendship table invented by the student council. If you're feeling lonely, hello, someone will join you.
Maybe even your future best friends.
And this is the canteen where we have fresh fruit every day. My favorite fruit is the blueberry muffin. Delicious, thank you very much. This is the Astra, where we have PE lessons and sports day. I'm also part of the netball and basketball squad. We train every Wednesday. We also have inter-school competitions like DASA, BSME, and the bicycle games. Hi!
This is our primary multi-purpose hall where we have assemblies, PE lessons, and some shows.
Good afternoon to us.
This is year 3.
Year 3 is learning about volcanoes. Their book is called Escape from Pompeii. It's a hot topic.
And another topic year 3 are learning is called fair trade. It was my favorite topic when I was in year 3. Welcome to the most magical place in the whole primary, the art room. Miss Webster, what are we doing today?
Today, Year 3 are decorating a Wayne Thiebaud inspired birthday cakes.
Wow, sounds very interesting.
And this is our music room.
One step, 2 steps, 3 steps back.
This is the science lab. We're here every week to do fun experiments. Shirin and Rayaan are both science champions. Shirin, tell them why.
Because we love doing science and we get to lead fun experiments.
Here we have the library. We have fiction, non-fiction, and books about UAE.
This is the most popular place in the primary. That's right, because of Coco and Tara.
This is Miss White. She's the head of sustainability.
Hi Rayaan.
Hi, Miss White.
Hi, are you coming to the Eco Warriors litter pick tomorrow?
Yes, of course.
Great job. We'll see you there where we collect all the plastic.
This is year 6. It's the last step of primary before we move on to secondary. It's a really big step.
Thanks for joining us on this tour.
And don't forget to be kind, be great, be you.
Bye!